Can't find the Face ID option on your iPhone? This can happen for several reasons, like a software bug, disabled Face ID, or a hidden setting. No worries, in this guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. Solution 1. Enable these very important settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Accessibility, scroll down, tap Face ID and Attention. Just enable Require Attention for Face ID, Attention-Aware Features. Also enable Haptic on Successful Authentication. If these options are already enabled, then turn these off and then turn these back again. Solution 2. Check Screen Time Restrictions. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. If Screen Time is enabled, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Ensure to turn off the restriction on iPhone. Solution 3. Check for software updates. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Software updates often include fixes for Face ID issues, so this might resolve the problem. If none of the above solutions work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. For that, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Reset. Tap Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Solution 4. Check hardware test for Face ID related issues. Go to App Store. Type Check My Device. Install and open these apps. Scroll down. Find out Face ID Test. Tap to begin test. Check if your Face ID works from here or not. If this doesn't work, this could be a hardware issue. In that case, you need to go to Apple Care. After resetting all settings, try setting up Face ID again. These steps should help you fix the missing Face ID option on your iPhone. Let me know if they worked for you or if you have any other questions.